Hi, I'm Katarina. Welcome to my world. In this video, I will arrange my quilling tulip flowers. Actually, I've made them a year ago, but I was lazy to arrange them. Now, I will put them into a shadow box. If you're interested in how to make tulip flowers and also the leaves, feel free to watch on my another video. I was using 1 mm paper strips 160 GSM. There are some techniques to make quilling. I was using comb technique. I don't have a quilling comb, so I use a hair comb. Please subscribe, like and ring the bell so you won't miss my next video. Happy watching! Finally, the quilling tulip flowers are ready to put into a shadow box. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.